Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting accessory for fitness enthusiasts and fashion-conscious individuals alike. We'll be taking a closer look at the SNBLK 2 Pack Engraved Bands designed exclusively for Fitbit Versa 3, Fitbit Sense, Fitbit Versa 4, and Fitbit Sense 2. These bands are not just functional but also beautifully designed. So, let's dive right into it. The SNBLK Engraved Bands are truly a work of art with exquisite laser engraving. They come in two stunning floral patterns, sunflower and rose, symbolizing sunshine, health, vitality, and hope. The intricate designs add a touch of elegance and cuteness to your wrist, making them the perfect choice for those who appreciate the beauty of nature. Made from high-quality TPU material, these bands offer enhanced comfort and protection. They provide full coverage for your Fitbit device, ensuring it stays safe from daily wear and tear. Plus, the TPU material is flexible, lightweight, and waterproof, offering a soft touch against your skin. It's perfect for those with metal allergies since these bands contain no metal components. These bands come in a variety of fashionable colors, including milk tea and red brown. You can select the size that fits your wrist perfectly. Whether you're working, exercising, relaxing, or going on a date, these bands are versatile enough to complement any occasion. If you're looking to switch up your style frequently, SNBLK offers a range of options, allowing you to mix and match your bands with your outfits and moods. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what customers have to say about these bands. The majority of reviewers have rated them with 4 or 5 stars. Customers love the appearance, fit, and quality of these bands. They appreciate the beautiful designs, ease of attachment, and durability. Whether you're into fashion or fitness, these bands seem to have you covered. In conclusion, the SNBLK Engraved Bands offer a fantastic combination of style, comfort, and functionality for your Fitbit Versa 3, Sense, Versa 4, or Sense 2. With their beautiful sunflower and rose patterns, these bands are not just accessories but also a fashion statement. They provide excellent protection for your device, and the absence of metal makes them suitable for those with metal allergies. So, if you're looking to elevate your Fitbit experience and add a touch of elegance to your wrist, I highly recommend checking out the SNBLK Engraved Bands. They are available on Amazon in various colors and sizes, with prices ranging from $9.99 to $11.99. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. This is Product Critique, signing off. Stay stylish and stay fit.